Welcome to Module 5, Chapter 14, where we explore Product Service Systems, or PSS, as a transformative business paradigm. In this chapter, we will examine how organizations are moving beyond simply selling products to offering integrated solutions that combine products and services. This shift, known as servitization, is changing the way companies create value, compete in the market, and address sustainability challenges. By the end of this chapter, you will understand the definitions and scope of servitization, the drivers and benefits behind adopting PSS, and the challenges organizations face in implementing these models. We will also look at the different types of PSS, the key characteristics, and real-world case studies that show how PSS can deliver environmental, economic, and customer benefits. This chapter will help you see how PSS supports the circular economy and why it is becoming essential for sustainable business growth. In this chapter, we will begin with an introduction to servitization and product service systems, setting the stage for understanding how business models are evolving from product sales to integrated solutions. We will then discuss the challenges and practical aspects of implementing servitization, including the need for organizational change and digital transformation. Next, we will explore the different types and key characteristics of product service systems, focusing on how they deliver value through customer-centric, service-oriented approaches. We will examine the multifaceted benefits of PSS, including environmental, economic, and customer advantages, and address the key challenges organizations face in PSS implementation, such as business model transformation, design, supply chain management, and cultural shifts. The chapter features integrated case studies from Europe, India, and Thailand, illustrating successful PSS in action. Finally, we will look at future directions and the strategic outlook for PSS as a driver of sustainable business growth. Introduction to servitization and product service systems. The move from selling products to offering integrated product service solutions is a transformative change in how organizations create and deliver value. Instead of focusing solely on product sales, companies now combine products with services to provide comprehensive solutions that address customer needs more effectively. This shift is driven by advances in technology, evolving market demands, and the need to differentiate in competitive markets. Servitization enables businesses to compete against low-cost economies by offering unique value propositions that blend tangible and intangible elements. It also supports sustainability by promoting resource efficiency and reducing environmental impact, as integrated solutions often extend product life cycles and reduce waste. By adopting servitization, organizations can enhance their competitiveness, diversify their revenue streams, and contribute to global sustainability objectives, making it a key strategy for long-term growth and resilience. Servitization is defined as the systematic process of innovating a company's core capabilities and procedures to transition from providing standalone products to delivering integrated product service systems. This transformation requires a fundamental reorientation of business models and internal structures, moving away from product-centered value propositions to more complex, service-oriented offerings. Servitization has been widely adopted in industries such as manufacturing and construction, where it serves as a catalyst for generating new revenue streams and building stronger customer relationships. By integrating services with products, companies can offer more customized and flexible solutions, meeting the evolving needs of their clients and creating long-term value. This approach not only enhances profitability but also positions organizations to respond proactively to market changes and sustainability challenges, making servitization a critical element of modern business strategy. The adoption of servitization is driven by several key factors, including the need for market differentiation, the pursuit of competitive advantage, and the desire to respond to dynamic customer demands. By offering integrated product service solutions, companies can increase profitability, improve customer satisfaction, and provide tailored solutions that meet specific client needs. Servitization allows businesses to stand out in commoditized markets by differentiating their offerings and delivering higher value. In industries like construction, servitization has been shown to enhance product value, stimulate market demand, and enable the delivery of highly customized services. The benefits of servitization extend beyond financial gains, as it also fosters stronger customer relationships and supports the transition to more sustainable business practices. By embracing servitization, organizations can position themselves for long-term success in an increasingly competitive and sustainability-focused marketplace. Challenges and implementation of servitization. Implementing product service systems requires organizations to undergo significant change at multiple levels. One of the main challenges is organizational restructuring, as companies must move away from product-centric traditions and develop new capabilities to support integrated offerings. This often involves redesigning business processes, updating supply chain management, and fostering innovation in both products and services. Integrating products and services also creates dynamic interactions with customers, which can introduce uncertainties and require strong management strategies to ensure consistent quality and customer satisfaction. The adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies, such as digital platforms and data analytics, is essential for enabling this transformation and enhancing the value delivered to customers. Companies must also develop new metrics to assess their level of servitization and guide strategic planning. Addressing these challenges is critical for organizations seeking to realize the full benefits of PSS and remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Industry 4.0 technologies play a pivotal role in the successful implementation of product service systems. Digital transformation enables companies to innovate their business models, streamline operations, and deliver enhanced value to customers through integrated solutions. The transition to servitization often involves managerial and operational conflicts, particularly in organizations with established product-centric cultures. To overcome these challenges, companies must invest in new technologies, restructure their processes, and develop new capabilities. Digital tools such as IoT, data analytics, and cloud platforms support the integration of products and services, enabling real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and personalized service delivery. The development of a servitization scale provides valuable metrics for assessing and comparing progress across companies, supporting informed decision-making. Embracing digital transformation is essential for organizations aiming to leverage the full potential of PSS and achieve sustainable growth in the modern economy. Servitization is often seen as an environmentally conscious business model, offering ecological benefits by reducing the need for outright product ownership and promoting sustainable practices. Product service systems support the circular economy by emphasizing resource efficiency and waste reduction, achieved through services that extend product life cycles and minimize the need for new resources. By focusing on delivering functions rather than products, PSS can significantly lower the environmental footprint of manufacturing and consumption. However, the economic and environmental performance of servitization models can vary, with profitability depending on a company's ability to improve and manage services effectively. The integration of data-centric technologies can enhance service offerings and foster value co-creation with customers, but if not managed carefully, these technologies may also increase environmental impacts. Balancing economic gains with sustainability objectives is crucial for companies adopting servitization, ensuring that their PSS offerings contribute positively to both business performance and environmental stewardship. Types and key characteristics of product service systems. Product service systems can be grouped into three main types, each with unique engagement strategies and implications for business and sustainability. Product-oriented PSS focuses on selling a physical product, but enhances its value and lifespan through supplementary services such as maintenance and support. This model is common in durable goods industries, where manufacturers offer ongoing service contracts to ensure reliability and customer satisfaction. Use-oriented PSS shifts the focus from ownership to access, providing products through leasing, sharing, or pooling arrangements. Customers pay for the use of the product rather than owning it, which encourages more efficient resource utilization and supports sustainable consumption. Result-oriented PSS is the most advanced form, where the provider delivers a specific outcome or performance level, and contracts are based on results rather than product ownership. This model aligns provider incentives with customer satisfaction and can drive innovation in service delivery, such as companies offering lighting as a service instead of selling light bulbs. Product service systems can be grouped into three main types, each with unique engagement strategies and implications for business and sustainability. Product-oriented PSS focuses on selling a physical product, but enhances its value and lifespan through supplementary services such as maintenance and support. This model is common in durable goods industries, where manufacturers offer ongoing service contracts to ensure reliability and customer satisfaction. Use-oriented PSS shifts the focus from ownership to access, providing products through leasing, sharing, or pooling arrangements. Customers pay for the use of the product rather than owning it, which encourages more efficient resource utilization and supports sustainable consumption. Result-oriented PSS is the most advanced form, where the provider delivers a specific outcome or performance level, and contracts are based on results rather than product ownership. This model aligns provider incentives with customer satisfaction and can drive innovation in service delivery, such as companies offering lighting as a service instead of selling light bulbs. Adopting product service systems requires a fundamental transformation in business models and revenue streams. Instead of relying on one-time product sales, companies shift to recurring revenue models that focus on long-term customer relationships and continuous value delivery. This transition enables more stable and predictable income, as customers subscribe to ongoing services or pay based on usage rather than making large upfront purchases. The move to service-centric models also fosters continuous innovation in both service delivery and customer engagement, as businesses must constantly adapt to evolving needs and expectations. Implementing PSS demands new strategies for cost estimation and contract management, as the financial dynamics of recurring revenue differ from traditional sales. By embracing this transformative shift, organizations can unlock new growth opportunities, enhance customer loyalty, and position themselves for sustained success in a rapidly changing market. Multifaceted benefits of product service systems. The environmental benefits of product service systems are significant and directly support the principles of the circular economy. By optimizing resource utilization and reducing waste, PSS models help organizations minimize their environmental footprint. For example, remanufacturing asynchronous motors into permanent magnet synchronous motors can save between 36% and 73% in materials, demonstrating substantial positive impact. PSS extends product life cycles by incorporating services such as maintenance, repair, and upgrades, which reduces the need for new resources and minimizes waste generation. Integrating circular economy principles, PSS encourages the recycling of waste into reusable materials, supporting responsible consumption and production. These practices not only benefit the environment but also align with global sustainability trends, making PSS an essential component of modern, eco-friendly business strategies. Product service systems offer compelling economic advantages for businesses, opening new avenues for growth and strengthening market positioning. By combining products with services, companies can unlock new revenue streams and achieve higher profit margins. For example, integrating services into smartphone family design allows businesses to balance economic profit with environmental impact, demonstrating the value of a holistic approach. PSS also enhances competitive advantage by enabling companies to differentiate themselves in the marketplace, especially when leveraging big data and deep learning to optimize offerings. Tailored services foster deeper customer relationships and loyalty, as businesses can engage in mutual learning and provide personalized solutions. The service-oriented nature of PSS provides predictable, recurring income through subscription-based or ongoing service access, rather than relying on one-time product sales. This stability supports long-term planning and innovation, making PSS a strategic choice for businesses aiming to thrive in a dynamic and competitive environment. Product service systems offer compelling economic advantages for businesses, opening new avenues for growth and strengthening market positioning. By combining products with services, companies can unlock new revenue streams and achieve higher profit margins. For example, integrating services into smartphone family design allows businesses to balance economic profit with environmental impact, demonstrating the value of a holistic approach. PSS also enhances competitive advantage by enabling companies to differentiate themselves in the marketplace, especially when leveraging big data and deep learning to optimize offerings. Tailored services foster deeper customer relationships and loyalty, as businesses can engage in mutual learning and provide personalized solutions. The service-oriented nature of PSS provides predictable, recurring income through subscription-based or ongoing service access, rather than relying on one-time product sales. This stability supports long-term planning and innovation, making PSS a strategic choice for businesses aiming to thrive in a dynamic and competitive environment. Key challenges in PSS implementation. Implementing product service systems requires organizations to shift from traditional product sales to integrated solutions that combine products with services. This transition fosters closer customer relationships and creates opportunities for continuous value creation beyond the initial sale. Adopting innovative pricing models, such as pay-per-use or subscriptions, changes cash flow dynamics and requires new approaches to financial management. These models encourage resource efficiency by linking payment to actual usage rather than ownership. Customer relationship management becomes even more important, as businesses focus on delivering ongoing value through service. CRM systems enable personalized service offerings and proactive maintenance, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Successfully navigating this transformation is essential for organizations seeking to remain competitive and responsive to evolving market demands. Designing products for servitization is a critical aspect of successful PSS implementation. Modularity in design allows products to be easily upgraded, maintained, or customized, supporting flexibility and extending product life. Durable products are essential for long-term service contracts and sustainability goals, as they reduce waste and enable resource recovery through refurbishment and reuse. Digital integration and innovation play a key role, with advanced technologies and data analytics enabling condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, and remote diagnostics. These digital tools enhance service efficiency by anticipating failures and optimizing maintenance schedules, ensuring high service quality and customer satisfaction. By focusing on modularity, durability, and digital integration, organizations can create products that support effective service delivery and align with the principles of the circular economy. Implementing product service systems adds complexity to supply chain management, as companies must coordinate both forward delivery and reverse logistics. This means not only delivering products to customers, but also managing returns, refurbishment, and repurposing to support circular flows of materials. Effective supply chain coordination is essential for timely service and sustainability. Strong, collaborative partnerships with suppliers are critical to delivering integrated product service solutions efficiently and aligning incentives for circular economy success. Transitioning to a service-oriented culture requires significant changes in organizational structure and employee roles, with a focus on value creation and sustainability. Employees need new skills in service management and customer interaction, and overcoming resistance to change demands strong leadership and transparent communication. Continuous training and visionary leadership are key to fostering adaptability and empowering the workforce, ensuring that the organization can successfully navigate the shift to PSS and realize its full benefits. Integrated case studies of PSS implementation. Michelin's EFFI-FUEL program is a leading example of a product service system that delivers measurable value to customers while supporting sustainability. Facing pressures from rising fuel costs, environmental regulations, and intense competition, Michelin shifted from selling tires to providing comprehensive fuel efficiency solutions for truck fleets. EFFI-FUEL integrates high-performance tires, eco-driving training, telematics for real-time data monitoring, and expert analysis into a holistic offering. The program is built on a performance-based guarantee. Michelin commits to a specific reduction in fuel consumption, and if targets are not met, clients are compensated. This risk-sharing approach aligns Michelin's interests with those of its customers, fostering trust and long-term partnerships. The outcomes include significant fuel savings, reduced CO2 emissions, optimized fleet operations, and the creation of a recurring revenue model for Michelin. EFFI-FUEL demonstrates how PSS can transform business models, deliver environmental benefits, and strengthen customer relationships. Tata Motors' vehicle leasing program addresses the evolving needs of India's automotive market, where rising costs, urbanization, and changing consumer preferences are driving demand for flexible mobility solutions. Instead of focusing solely on vehicle sales, Tata Motors offers diverse leasing options with bundled services such as maintenance, insurance, and roadside assistance. This model reduces upfront costs and ownership burdens, making vehicles more accessible to a wider range of customers, including young professionals and small businesses. Leasing also supports circularity by enabling vehicles to be refurbished and re-leased, extending their life cycles and optimizing resource use. The program opens new revenue streams for Tata Motors, enhances brand perception, and fosters deeper customer loyalty. By embracing a product service system approach, Tata Motors demonstrates how integrated solutions can meet modern mobility needs, support sustainability, and drive business growth in a rapidly changing market. JSBE Design Square's Rent-to-Use Furniture program is an innovative example of how product service systems can promote circularity and sustainability in the furniture industry. Responding to trends such as urbanization, transient lifestyles, and growing environmental awareness, the company offers flexible rental periods, modular and durable furniture design, and professional refurbishment services. Customers benefit from affordable access to high-quality furniture without the burden of ownership, while the company retains ownership and responsibility for maintenance, repair, and reuse. This closed-loop system reduces waste, saves resources, and enhances customer convenience and flexibility. The program also creates new revenue streams and strengthens JSBE Design Square's brand as a leader in sustainable business practices. By managing the entire life cycle of its products, the company gains valuable insights for continuous improvement and innovation, demonstrating the power of PSS to drive both environmental and economic value. Future directions and outlook for PSS. Managing integrated product service offerings introduces a new level of complexity for organizations. Companies must coordinate multiple components, products, services, digital tools, and customer relationships, while ensuring high service quality and reliability. Risks such as information asymmetry, where one party has more information than the other, and moral hazard, where one party may take risks knowing the other bears the consequences, must be carefully managed. Successfully navigating these risks requires robust systems for monitoring, transparency, and accountability. Organizational transformation is also essential, as companies must develop new capabilities, adapt their culture, and invest in emerging technologies. While the transition can be resource-intensive and challenging, the rewards are substantial. PSS offers the potential to reshape entire industries, foster sustainable value creation, and position businesses as leaders in innovation and responsible growth. The key is to approach the transition strategically, with a focus on long-term value and continuous adaptation. Implementing product service systems is not just a technical or operational change, it is a profound organizational transformation. Companies must rethink their culture, develop new core capabilities, and invest in technology and process innovation. Managing integrated offerings and ensuring consistent service quality requires new skills, leadership, and a willingness to embrace change. Continuous training and visionary leadership are essential for overcoming resistance and empowering employees to adapt to new roles and responsibilities. The transition to PSS can be resource-intensive, but it is also an opportunity to drive innovation, improve customer engagement, and create more resilient and sustainable business models. By fostering a culture of innovation and adaptability, organizations can successfully navigate the complexities of PSS implementation and position themselves for long-term success in a dynamic and competitive market. Product service systems have the power to transform industries by enabling innovative value creation and sustainable business practices. By integrating products and services, companies can align profitability with environmental and social goals, creating sustainable value propositions that resonate with customers and stakeholders. Implementing PSS models allows businesses to stay competitive and responsive to changing market demands, supporting long-term growth and resilience. Companies that embrace PSS are better positioned to meet the expectations of modern consumers, who increasingly value access, flexibility, and sustainability over traditional ownership. As markets continue to evolve, PSS will be a key driver of strategic advantage, helping organizations achieve their sustainability objectives while maintaining profitability and relevance in the global economy. Product service systems represent a transformative approach to business, combining products and services to deliver superior value, innovation, and sustainability. By shifting from ownership to usage-based solutions, PSS fosters sustainable consumption and supports the circular economy. Successful implementation requires overcoming operational and strategic challenges, including aligning organizational processes, managing complexity, and ensuring customer acceptance. Embracing PSS positions businesses for sustainable growth and competitive advantage, enhancing customer loyalty through continuous service engagement and supporting circular resource flows. While the journey to PSS can be complex, the rewards are significant: greater resilience, stronger customer relationships, and a lasting positive impact on both business performance and the environment. Thank you for your attention throughout Chapter 14, the last chapter of Course 2. Your commitment to exploring the material is highly valued, and we look forward to seeing you in the next course.